In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the color of add to cart button on Shopify. The first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on online store in the left, okay? And then you want to select themes in the top, as you can see, themes. And after that, what you want to do, guys, next is you want to click these, as you can see, you want to click on customize, this green button here, customize, and it will take you to this page. What you want to do, guys, next is you want to select the product that you just want to select, like in the top, okay? It says here a home page. You want to click on home page, and you want to click on products, okay? Now after you click, guys, on products, what you want to do, guys, next is you want to click on the theme settings. As you can see, the second option here, it's called theme settings, okay? And then what you want to do, guys, next you want to click on colors, okay? And as you can see, if you change like the primarily color, if you change it, as you can see, everything will be, for example, red. Now that's not the color that we want to change. I'm just going to make it white, okay? Now you want to click on it says accent 1. That's the color what we want to change. Click on it, and then you can select any color here you want. For example, I'm going to select orange, because orange like makes people click on buy now. As you can see, it's changed to yellow or red, but I would say orange works better. So, or this pink, also this pink works better. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can change the color. And you can also change the colors of a lot of things. Accent 2, and you can change it. As you can see, you can change accent 2, you can change accent 1. You can customize this as you want, guys. You can customize this as you want. You can change a lot of things. So I will leave you with that, guys. After you finish, guys, customizing the colors, make sure you click on save in the top right, okay? And that's exactly, guys, how you can change the color. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.